In this video, I'm going to talk about data binding, and well, we are going to use data binding to pass data from our main activity to the to the layout of our activity. So, well, this is the design for the layout, and I need to make a change here because it has to say author. Okay, that's perfect. And well, to use the data binding, you have to open this Gradle file, this one, and well, you have to use this. You have to enable data binding like this. And well, after this, you go to the well. After this, you have to create your design. This is the design that I created. So I have to use a layout. I specify the activity for this layout, and also I have to use these data tags, in which I define a variable tag, and here I have the name of this variable is book, and the reference for this book is this one, this book that I have here. And well, the book is just a Java object in which I have a title and author for properties. Also, this is a constructor. I have a constructor, and then I have getters and setters, and this is it. This is all the thing that is in the book object, in the book class. So this is how I make a reference to this class that I have here. And next thing to do is you have to design your layout. Here I'm using a linear layout. The orientation is vertical, and well, then I'm using this let me make it bigger so that you can see it. And then I'm using a text view. This text view is for the title of the book, and the way I'm going to bind this widget to the main activity is like this. This is the way I bind the text view, and the other properties are for the design of the layout. For example, this is the size of the text. I can make it bigger if I want. And the color, this is the property for the color. And the width, I want the width to match its parent. And then I have another text view. This text view is for the author. And also I'm going to bind this widget to the main activity like this. I'm going to use this. This is the way I bind the widget, the text view. Okay, so now we have to open this main activity, and I'm going to import these classes. I'm going to import these classes for the example to work properly. So Then I'm gonna use this, I'm going to declare this variable of activity main binding, and then I'm going to assign this layout to this binding property like this. I'm going to use all this code to assign the layout to this binding property, and then I'm going to create an object of my book class. The title is Learning Something, and the author is Richard M. You can write whatever information for the title and for the author. And then well, I'm gonna use this method to actually pass the book, and this is it. This is all the things that you have to do. Here I have some other here I have a package, but this is not relevant for this example. I was just testing some code, and this is also for testing purposes. I was testing some of this code before doing this tutorial, just to make sure that everything works properly. But these are the important ones. What else? Okay, I think this is it. Let's run the project. And okay. And this is how the application looks like. Yeah, this is the this is our application. Here I have Learning Something and Richard M, and this is the data that we pass from this main activity to the layout using data binding, and this is how we use data binding. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching.